Ta-da! mm. Mm. Oh, it's so crunchy. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and my name is Michelle. This is my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. And today is a Saturday morning. I just finished working. I work from home and I work during US hours, so graveyard shift here in the Philippines. I decided to do a vlog today because I'm going out and I need to get some money to pay the bills because it's the end of the month. And I decided to create this vlog, which is the eating only 7-Eleven Philippines food for 24 hours for the whole day. So because it's morning, I don't usually feel sleepy after my work, so I kind of like do some breakfast first and then do some browsing on the internet, and then I will fall asleep. So that's my routine. My body clock works that way. So I'm going to step out and I'm going to a 7-Eleven here in my in the place where I live. So I know that 7-Eleven can vary from different countries. There's 7-Eleven Thailand, 7-Eleven Korea, 7-Eleven Japan. So, and they have amazing food. So that's okay. That's one of my bucket lists when I have a chance to travel to those countries. I will go and see and try 7-Eleven in the countries. But today we're going to try 7-Eleven here in the Philippines. And here where I live, there are two 7-Eleven near me, but we're going to try the one which is near the ATM machine because I need to get some money this morning and get my breakfast. So let's go and come with me, have some 7-Eleven food. 7-Eleven. Hello po. Choco. Okay, wait. She's barbecue chicken asado or asado pink. Okay, let's get some siopaw. Let's get some siopaw for everyone. Tray. Madam, dito muna kukuha pa ako ng iba. Thank you po. Let's get some drinks. Oh, later. Bakit may ganito ha? Coffee. Ay, why is it so dark? May? Ito coffee. Wow. Vanilla. Nakabukas ng ata may rep. Chocolate mocha. Doesn't smell. Coffee ko lucky day. Bakit mo na nito? Nescafe mocha. Okay, cappuccino. Sterilized ginseng. Tsaka isa. Onigiri. May Korean din. Japchae. Cheesy samgyeopsal. Microwavable. Chicken teriyaki. Ma'am, ito hindi na ma-micro, no? Pwede. Wow. Spam. Silog. Okay, ito na lang. Nasaan mo? Saan yung isang glaze? Ito na lang, matcha. Ay, puwa-puwa matcha. Ito tayo sa ube champurado. Wow. For later. Hot meals. Corn soup. Arroz caldo. No. Ano pa isa? Yum. Spicy. Spicy will break our pasta. Ang dami. Yakisoba. dito? Korean noodles. Jin ramen. Okay. Oh, bibimen? Ano yun? Bibim, yan. Cheesy ramen. Oh, it's not spicy. Okay, cheesy ramen. What else? Some chips for later. But yeah, really spicy. Okay. Pusit. I'm not sure if I like pusit. Kalabasa. I love to eat butcheron. Oh, pusit. But it's 131. Anchovy 27 only. Butcheron. Spicy pusit 106. Okay. Try mangoes. Okay. We have to find another because it's expensive. Kaisaw. Sweet and spicy. I wanna try this sweet and spicy. Pusit. Okay. Let's get the one at the back. And it's nan. Hi, I am back home. So yeah, it's not that far, and I had to ride a tricycle to be home quickly because, like I said, I just finished work and I'm a little bit dizzy. But I have to get some breakfast or food first from 7-Eleven. So starting with the siopaw. I think this is, I have to eat it now. The siopaw. I think this is a chicken asado siopaw. So this is what I'm going to eat for breakfast, and then let me show you the other ones. So remember these chips? This is a pusit or squid chips, like sweet and spicy squid flavor. I'm going to have this for snack later, but I haven't tried this, so I'm curious how it tastes like. And I don't particularly like squid flavor or like seafood in general, but looks delicious. Look at him. Okay, and then we have the sandwich, the egg salad sandwich. So it's really cold. I think we can microwave it there, but I prefer it to be cold like this. Since I'm going to eat the siopaw, I'll probably eat it later. We will see. It's still early. I could change my mind and eat everything. So this one is a fuwa. I think this is a Japanese brand. I like the other flavor. Well, I forgot. I think it's cream cheese flavor, but I'm curious to try the matcha flavor one. So this one is Japanese brand, I believe, and they have very soft bread. If you see them on 7-Eleven or in 7-Eleven or in other places, you could try the fuwa. It's very soft, really. And then I got the ube champurrado. I think it's like a cup noodles. You just have to add hot water in it to eat it. So it's purple yam. I'm going to try it later. And then we have the Korean cheese ramen. I like the Korean ramen, but I don't like the super spicy ones, the fire noodles, like bultak ramyun. So this one, I don't think this is spicy. So I'm excited to try this for later, probably around dinner. Is that a good choice? But anyway, I have a lot of, you know, things. Oh, let's not forget this one. This one's chicken teriyaki onigiri. I think I've seen some of this in SM super malls. And the ate said that we can eat it like this or we can microwave it. But I think we should eat it as soon as we open it. So it's at the reason I want, there are different flavors. There's tuna, there's a spicy, and this one's a chicken teriyaki. I think I've tried one of this before, the tuna mayo one. So we will try this later. And then for the drinks, unfortunately the freezer or refrigerator that they have in that 7-Eleven is broken, but this one is fortunately cold, so I'm going to have this with the siopaw for breakfast today. That's froyo. It's a yogurt milk from Dutch Mill. Not sure if you have tried this, but this is less sweet than, not Yakult, than the other yogurt milk competition, I think. And unfortunately, like I said, the refrigerator is not working. This vanilla from Great Taste vanilla latte is so room temperature, so I prefer this really cold, so I have to put this in our refrigerator here at home and then try it later. And then I have the cranberry one, Welch. I used to get this at 7-Eleven for the UTI. So, because they said this is good. Actually, in the past, it used to be a bottle, like a glass bottle. Now, this is a plastic one. I think, I don't know, it's more cheap. And the last one, the Rabel, the other ones like pusit and chicken or chicharron, so expensive. Remember I showed you earlier. But the delis one is the anchovies. How do you say this in English? Yeah, this one's cheaper, around less than 100 pesos. So this is sweet and spicy. I don't want to eat sweet or spicy in the morning, so I'm gonna eat it later. So yeah, that's a lot. It's a lot of 7-Eleven stuff that I'm going to eat for today. It's going to be like for the full day. Yeah, so I tried to avoid the cup noodles or the noodles one, but eventually I have one, so yeah. But at least we are not going to do it every day. No, processed food is really not good for our kidneys, so especially at my age. So I'm so excited to start with the siopaw and Dutch Mill. Okay, I think I need to show you everything that I bought, but it's so messy here, so don't judge me, or judge me, up to you. I'm going to show it to you anyway, okay? These are the things, the food that we bought from 7-Eleven here in my in my place, near my place. So we have the Great Taste vanilla latte, which is really room temperature. I want it to be cold. I need to put it in my refrigerator. The Welch cranberry flavor. There's another berry flavor of this one. There's ube champorado. This is a purple yum. So I used to have like chocolate champorado. My dad always cook us champorado during rainy season, you know, when it gets cold. My dad would cook that. So I haven't tried the ube one, but I have an idea how it tastes like, because I know how ube tastes like. And we have the chicken teriyaki. As much as I want to eat it as soon as I can, because I don't want it to go bad, but I have a siopaw, so we will see. Okay, we will see. And also the egg salad. I don't want this to go bad also. And then we have dilis, because after I eat, probably 30 minutes or an hour, I have to go to bed. And this is the dilis. I'm so excited for this one because the pricing that they have tells us that it's a good food. I think that's a qualifying or determinating factor. I don't know if that's a correct English, but okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. So this one also, and as much as possible, I don't want to eat noodles, but this really made me curious. Oh, otegi. So I hope this is really cheesy if I prepare it correctly. And then we have the siopaw with the siopaw sauce, the matcha bun, and then the proyo. So let's start eating. These two are what I'm going to eat now with you. Okay, let's eat now. So let's start eating, shall we? So I forgot, there is another like Yakult brand. I forgot the name of that brand. It's a green one, but it's sweeter than Yakult. And then I tried this one. I was actually having doubts if it's gonna be sweet, but it's not really sweet. It's really good. Have you tried Froyo before? But I'm sure you've tried a lot of milk yogurt, but I like this. Like I said, it's not that sweet. When you get this at this age, I'm in my mid-30s now, we have to avoid a lot of things like sweet food, salty food, and so on. Anyway, cheers. Yeah, I always choose the berry flavor one. So like I said, I'm going to eat the siopaw because this one will go bad if we don't eat it right away. So of course, don't include the paper. The siopaw is like a xiaolongbao. I'm not really good with Chinese, but kind of similar. It's like a steam bun, and it has chicken asado inside. Look, ta-dang! Ta-dang! Okay, let me just do it properly. I don't want to make a mess. My table is already messy, so we have to be careful here. So yeah, ta-da! So the reason they have colors here is to identify which flavor you want to get when you are at 7-Eleven. So first bite. It's like 30 pesos, 30 plus pesos. So it's actually good even without the siopaw sauce. Siopaw sauce. Yeah, 7-Eleven siopaw is always good. Even the 7-Eleven hot dog sandwich. I remember when I was in college, it's our go-to place because it's not that expensive, but we really get full, you know, when eating siopaw or hot dog sandwich from 7-Eleven. Even better when you have the siopaw sauce. Siopaw sauce is sweet, and sometimes the filling inside the siopaw is salty, so you combine the sweet and the salty. So and then you have the bun. So after this, I need to rest, and then when I wake up again later, it's already 8:30. I'll probably wake up around 1 to 3 p.m. Depends, because today is Saturday. And then I will eat for lunch. That's my lunch. It's super late lunch. Sometimes I eat merienda. It's like the snack. It's a between late lunch and almost dinner. So yeah, because when I wake up every time I feel hungry, So I have to eat. It's either late lunch, merienda, or early dinner. So I'm going to try the other food that we bought. And I'm curious about that dili, anchovies, the dilis one, spicy. I will try it. But let's finish this. Actually, there's another half here. So it's really worth it. Your money is worth it. Especially if you're not looking for something that really heavy. You can have Siopaw anytime, you know, just go to 7-Eleven and have Siopaw. And also 7-Eleven convenience stores, always open 24/7. So, you know, when you finish hanging out with your friends, drinking, you can have Siopaw. I know it's not good to talk while eating, but it's okay. It's a free world. Delicious. I always choose the asado one because there's bola bola. When I say bola bola, there's like a round meat inside your Siopaw. So it's kind of like round like this. So the asado one is more like scattered ground filling. So I feel much better. I prefer asado. I think one of my brothers liked the bola bola one because I remember when I used to buy Siopaw from work, because before I used to work at an office, and then when I go home I ask them, what do you want for pasalubong, like gift or food to share when I'm home? So they would say Siopaw, and then they would say, oh, mine is asado, or mine is bola bola. Something like that. Especially during payday. So I would love to get something for the family. But then now, I'm working from home. I started working from home 2016, 2017, because the commute for me is really hard. And it's a whole another story, but I know I'm not alone, and a lot of people still commute to this day. So I respect everyone. So I'm just really fortunate. I'm so blessed that I have this opportunity to be able to work from home. Am I going to cry? Just eating Siopaw. Yeah, well, yeah. Sometimes, because sometimes I still feel stressed, because there's also pros and cons when you work from home. And sometimes I'm not crying over Siopaw. Now sometimes we focus on the things that we don't have, but when we have it, we just focus on another things that we don't have. We often forget that these things that we have now are answered prayers, because I remember praying so hard before that, please let me work from home, because the commute is killing me, the money is not worth it. I mean, I'm not earning enough. If I earn enough, it will go to my everyday food, go to work, commute, and all those things. Now, sometimes when I work from home, sometimes I feel so stressed. I feel ungrateful. So, yeah, that's life. So, but bottom line, I'm so grateful that I'm here. I'm able to help with my family and help myself also, just working from home. So, yeah. Anyway, this Siopaw is so good. And the ate gave me so many Siopaw sauce. So, what we do with extra sauce, We keep it, and then until we buy another shopo, we use it. We don't throw it away. So yeah, the ate is so generous with the sauce. That's my brother. Ba? Okay, this is the last bite of the siopaw. I'm so full na. Let's get some wet tissue because the sauce is so sticky. And also when you work from home, you can't avoid ordering food online rather than going out. Like when you stay home, you just want to stay home, but when you go out, you just want to stay out. Also for me, because I work during US hours, which is nighttime here in the Philippines, like sometimes it's hard to sleep during daytime. It's noisy outside, it's hot, you know, all those factors. But eventually your body will get used to it, because when you work at night, it's so quiet, you can focus, you can concentrate on your work. But the problem is when the next day comes, you have to sleep, but everybody's like so noisy, going to school, kids playing, the moms are, I don't know, shouting. But that's fine, that's fine. I'm not complaining. I'm just like describing to you how is my like daily life as someone who is working from home. I feel like I'm so healthy because of this. No, I have to start exercising and moving, because when you work from home, you work on this table, you eat on this table, you watch YouTube movies on this table, like everything is in this table, which is not good because you have to move. We are born to move. And if I move, I just go to the bathroom, I just go to the kitchen. So like this is my space. So it's a little bit a good thing and a little bit a bad thing, because we have to move and, you know, walk, circulate, you know, help circulate our blood better. Anyway, what I'm saying, okay, I'm so curious about the dilis, but this is sweet and spicy. Let me try it. Let me try it. I hope it's good, because it's my favorite. This is my favorite. So I'm just ooh, smells like, you know, the dilis that you buy at the sari-sari store. Should I open all the way? No, I opened it all the way. I love the smell. Should I keep it or no? I'll already open it. Oh, how it looks like. Cha-dang, cha-dang, cha-dang. Oh, it's so crunchy because it's coated by sugar and spice. How do you do this? It's so coated. Yeah, now I taste the fish. It's good, but it's so coated. I want something like just the fish only. A little bit spicy, yeah. But the sugar is overpowering. Oh, now the spice. Okay, I told you I will not eat spicy before sleeping, no? Okay, last one. Later. Continue. It's okay. For me, it's okay. But I've had better anchovies or dilis in the past. When you buy something from like a banqueta or local sellers, vendors, it's much better. This one is too processed, too coated. But I taste the fish, I taste the sugar, and I taste the spice. But I've had better ones. Ah, so spicy. And let's have some water. Ah. Whew. I think I ate 3 pieces of that and I'm sweating so hard. Okay, so that's my 7-Eleven breakfast. I will continue with the rest of the food later, and for my lunch, for my dinner, for my midnight snack, because I think, no, I know that I'm going to get up really late later, around 4 p.m. Ooh. Okay, let me know in the comments what's your favorite 7-Eleven food, or if you have other requests that you want me to try. But please support me, subscribe, like this video, so you will be up to date to my next uploads. The algorithm will help me reach you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.